Life will punch you in the face. Not literally, I hope, but with breakups, layoffs, bad news, and curveballs you never saw coming. Here's the good part. Resilience isn't a personality you're born with. It's a skill you build. And today, in 3 minutes, I'll show you how. If you've ever thought I'm just not tough enough, keep listening. Tough isn't a type, it's a toolkit. Roughly 7 out of 10 people will face a major hardship in life. Most of them won't develop long-term disorders. Why? Because humans are wired to adapt. Your brain literally rewires through practice, neuroplasticity, so the habits you repeat during hard times become your safety net next time. Quick wins, let's go. 1. Name it to tame it. When stress hits, say out loud what you feel. I'm anxious about this deadline. Labeling emotion calms the amygdala and gives your thinking brain the mic. 1. 2-minute breath reset. Inhale 4, hold 4, exhale 6, do 5 rounds. Longer exhales tell your nervous system, we're safe. 1. Shrink the problem. Don't climb the mountain. Move 1 rock. Ask, what's the next 10%? Send the email. Drink water. Open the dock. Tiny wins build momentum. 1. Rewrite the story. Swap, this is happening to me with, this is training me. Not toxic positivity, just better framing. You're not ignoring pain, you're choosing purpose. 1. Phone a friend, on purpose. Text one person. Hey, not looking for fixes, just a 5-minute vent? Clear asks get real support. Connection regulates stress fast. 1. Move your body, prime your mind. 10 squats, a brisk walk, stretch your back. Motion changes emotion. 1. Sleep like it matters, because it does. Protect a 90-minute wind down. Dim lights, no doom scroll, same bedtime. Your resilience tomorrow starts tonight. 1. Gratitude, but make it useful. Write 3 things that didn't go wrong today. You train your brain to notice safety, not just threats. 1. Future you letter. 1 paragraph. Here's what I'm facing. Here's what I control. Here's my next step. Clarity beats chaos. 1. Set 1 boundary. Say, I can't do Friday, but I can do Monday. Boundaries aren't walls. They're guardrails. Remember, resilience isn't never breaking. It's bending without snapping and bouncing back with lessons. You can be scared and still show up. You can be tired and still take 1 step. So what's your next 10%? Pick 1 tool. Do it today. Your future self is already thanking you. If this helped, save it for the next rough day and send it to someone who needs a hand right now. You've got this.